Right. Only thing left I got that's stuck on is still this collar. The inside, collar to the main blade was seized on. I got that off with the slide hammer. The 6 bolts on the edger were not wanting to come out, so I had to dismount the shaft. It's set overnight with everything doused in penetrating oil, and then today I had this punch that's exactly the size of the inside of the Allens, and I gave it some taps and they came right out. So that's something, if anybody has those Allen bolts, they're that flange is down, and then the nut is on top, because this would be the top of the blade when it's installed, and then this flange is the underside. You can see it kind of there. That progress. So the only thing left I've got that's stuck together is this 4-inch collar that has to move to the other side to convert from 8x12 back to 4x12 configuration. So, and then I removed the lower edger stabilizer that goes in down here through there and runs along. That bearing sees tight as can be, so I just took the whole thing off, and I don't have enough grid power out here to run the air compressor. The air compressor's continuous 1800 watts running, so 400 feet of extension cord is not going to run 1800 watts continuous plus the starting load on the electric motor, so thus the generators. Anyway, it's just a matter of unbolting it and putting it back together, because I'm going in far enough belts, converting over from 8x12 to 4x12 and replacing all the belts. Because if I come over here, this is the last of the main belts. I can't even hardly see the face of my phone, it's so sunny out. This is, you can't even see the word power bands on it anymore. They're all gone, but you can see they're ripping in two. So they're all done. 5 of the 6 main belts from the engine to the main shaft blew themselves up. So it's just time for new belts. And anyway, this normally is up here like so. For anybody's scratching their head why it looks different, is that plate is normally there, but the cable for the lumber return goes through it, so unless you disconnect the cable, it just hangs there. Anyway, I just thought I'd video this and show the mill in this state of I'm probably approaching 4 hours to get the mill to this point. So anyway, I thought I'd make a little video and show this fun part of playing sawmill. So thanks for watching. Bye.